challenge for the site Websec.fr, and this challenge is called level 33, and it says yet another fine serialization based challenge. So if we go on the URL, it says things are going dark, can you still see the flag anyway? As usual, the source code is available here. Many thanks to Bui for this level. So it says destruct, and we see the source code available here. So with this source code, we get this include flag.php defines the flag. We get a class, and at the end it says destruct, and it says almost there. So what do we have here? So it says it sends a payload, and after that it says going dark, and then it starts this object start, and then after that it prints out here's your flag. So let's see what happens if we go back right here, click on URL and close that, and then let's try inputting something It says going dark, so it starts right here, and I'm assuming this function starts, but it never goes past it. So let's try whatever this is. Nothing. Okay, try a bunch of ways. Nothing. It says going dark. So let's figure out what this function does. And if we look up obj start right away, we get it opens up a buffer in which all the output is stored. So that's basically what that function does. It opens up, turns on output buffering. This function will turn on output buffering while is active. No output is sent from the script. Instead, the output is stored in an internal buffer. So basically, what that means is that the buffer is most likely not being printed out. It's just being stored. So what can we do? So I guess after doing a bit of research and Googling hard, you're able to find this. I guess this article right here where it shows, I guess, the bad thing about this. So it says there's a security hole behind this. It says when the script ends, all unclosed buffers are outputted. So that means we had to find a way to make this script end, because if we were able to make the script end, everything that's stored within the buffer gets printed out. So how do we do this? So it's using serialization. So there's two ways to do this, but the way that I found, and which makes it easier to understand, is we could use a large array causing memory consumption. So what we could do is run this command. We'll do a-999, and what this command is doing basically in serialization. So serialization, what this command is doing in serialization is basically creating a large array of this many amount of variables, which is going to cause a memory consumption and which is going to corrupt the program. So if we run this, and let's just say serialization array, creating PHP array. So yeah, this creates, basically if you output this, basically creates that. And look right here, serialize, print out unserialized array, AS444, and all this stuff. But what we did was basically create an array. We created an array, a very large array, using this technique. So now if we send this, it's basically gonna crash the program and it's gonna print out our flag. So we get this, we go back to Websec.fr and go to level 33, and we could just insert this and validate it, and we solve this challenge. So yeah, pretty easy challenge and also pretty fun too. But anyway, that's about it for this. Hope you guys learned something new today. I know I did, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.